driving on the street and your vehicle is struck by lightning, or maybe a snapped wire from an electricity line dropped on your vehicle, what we advise is that you stay put inside the car. Do not make attempt to move. Stay in the car and do not touch any metal part of the car at all as at that point. What you can do, pick up your phone at that time and look at the numbers on the screen. You call on us and we will quickly come to your rescue. When you are calling on us, try and be specific and be straightforward about your direction and location so that we can get to you on time. Or if you have the emergency number of the Federal Road Safety or the fire service also, you could also contact them. The first thing you need to do is to call us so that we can knock off the supply as at that time. I advise you not to go and take over on that tree to take shade when it's raining, because the tree can attract thunderstorm, can also attract lightning. And sometimes when our wire snaps, they fall on trees that are close by there, and trees form a very good conductor and you could receive electric shock also. Often also advise that when walking on the street at this stormy weather, please do not touch any metal object at all while going, because your hands are wet and you never can tell where any electricity leakage has come up and has come in contact with a particular metal and you could receive electric shock. So be very cautious while outside during raining day. First thing you need to do is to go to the main source of supply to the building and turn it off. Get the plumber involved, let them correct that, and also get a professional help from an electrical person to come and also inspect and check it properly.